Today I'm going to be doing a video on Christmas. So every day, like normally when I do American Girl Doll videos, I have Grace, Mariella, and Sarah, which isn't truly me. But here I have Grace and Mary Ellen. And today I'm just going to be showing off everything I got for Christmas, and I still have some stuff in the box. So I'm going to start with these Band-Aids. They're gold vibe. They have it comes with 3 different kinds of Band-Aids, and they're different sizes. And the box is really pretty. So that's number 1. Number 2 is emojis. This is an emoji spot-it. Because they have many different spot-its, like they have Animal Adventure, they have Ninja Turtle, and like they even have a Care Bear. But I have emotion. And it's just so cool. It has different emojis like peace signs and stuff. So next up is this Marilyn Monroe. So Marilyn Monroe is like a famous movie person. She was in a lot of movies and she is so famous. So I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, my singing. Next up is Elvis Presley. Like thousands of pictures of him. Like just so many. So I'm gonna put this with all my books, my Elvis books. Okay, I'm just thinking about what to do next up, I'm going to do Grace. So this was open because it's rare. And it is Grace's city outfit. So it comes with these little shoes, this love shirt, which I love it. And the color's just so cute. And a pair of shorts. So later today, I'm going to put this on Grace and see how it looks. But for now, to save time, I'm just going to put them over here. Next up, oh, I forgot. It came with this little headband. So it's very cute. Next up, I'm going to be opening some pins. Now, these are for you or your doll, but they're meant for you. So you have either a sunglass pin or a star pin, which is just so cute. Next up will be Charm It. So I have lots of different charms and stuff, but these are like all different and stuff. I have a shooting star and stuff, but I have a necklace, but I don't have a bracelet. So Santa Claus gave me a bracelet. So the bracelet is just my size. Now all I need to do is put charms on it. Hold on. So I had an extra charm that I already had, so I just needed to go put it on the floor. So the first one is the ring with little hearts. So I'm just gonna show off all the charms that I'm just putting on this one. So he also gave me a soccer ball because I love soccer. Star, shooting star, ice cream, butter. Oh, bananas. I just love the bananas. Butterfly and gumball machine. And then the rainbow that's on here. So I'll do the rest of that later. Next up is something of Grace's. Her envelope. So I'm just gonna put this in. So Grace has this little card, these two menus, an apron, and this catalog. Next up are these coloring books. So Santa Claus one and Encanto. Okay. So these are something that I really love. They are Elvis Presley earrings. So what I will be unboxing next is something of Julie's collection. But first, this is kind of in the way, and this is pretty big, so I'm just going to move some of my stuff over. Like, I'm just going to put everything where I'm going to keep it. And I'm going to put my Elvis earrings, my Bandit ear, and also just put all of Grace's back in the little envelope. And so, this right here. And so, next up, these are called Julie's PJs. You need to look for the thing. Okay. So this is just like very cute. So these little pink pants, like it's just so cute. Little pink pants, and then the top is more of a dress top. It's this very 70s one. It's like a nightgown top. So it's like, it goes down to my knees. And they're very cute. Julie Albright has her very own size PJ, so I'm just gonna go put these on the chair. Since Julie has her own PJs, I'm gonna open them up. So Julie Albright is like so cute. She has blonde hair and everything. She is just adorable. So Julie's has some add-ons like her robe with real buttons. This is like cuter than mine because hers comes with a robe and a pockets. So now Julie's PJs are a nightgown, but she doesn't have pants. Instead, she has her very own PJ underwear and some very fuzzy slippers. And these are so fuzzy. So I'm just going to put these on the ground next to the big stuff and fold up this box. So that was Julie Albright's PJs. And now we have this, which is another part of Julie Albright's collection. Her lunchbox. So Julie Albright's lunchbox is just so cute. It's just so 70s. And her lunch is some chips, a sandwich, and a cupcake, and a water. So that is Julie Albright's lunchbox. Put the box away. So I really love Julie Albright. She's just my most, she's like my favorite doll on the app. So next up, I will be opening Julie Albright's accessory. I'm always trying to get through those tabs with my nails, like those little pieces of circle tape. Okay, I got it. Halfway through. Finished. Okay, throw that in the trash because I don't need it. So This is her accessory. Every doll, like American Girl has created, has their very own accessory. And the accessory is like, it always goes great with their meet greet outfit. So, Julie Albright's tie-dye bag. It's so cute. It's just so cute. This little headband that I just love, like flower. Her own pencil. It's purple because one of her favorite colors is purple. Some really cute sunglasses. Purple. This clipboard, I just love. It has a flower on it. And a happy face on the back. Next up will be Let Girls Play 2. Ideas for basketball. And like my most favorite thing it comes with, her necklace. I just love it. And it says Julie. So now that we did that, I'm just gonna show this up because it's so big. Grace's Lego set. It's huge and it takes about 3 hours to build. So we're gonna build that in our day. And next up will be mini brands. So Santa always brings like one little thing that I really, really want. And I just love mini brands. I have a ton of the Disney ones. But this is Series 4. I use the Series 4 for my Barbies a lot. And these ones are just so easy to open. Now the clear one. No, wait. This is a blue one. I've never seen blue. So we have a blue ball. And the rare ones are these cool frozen moments. So I'm really like hoping to get. Okay, I'll come back to that one. Let's see. This is some medicine. This is really cute for American Girl. I'm totally gonna use that. The checklist. I got this candy. You can even get makeup. Oh, I want some makeup. They have like more than. They have Frozen Moments, Gold Adore. There's 3 glow in the darks. And then all of the common. Makeup, cleaning. Oh, money. And then they have like shopping carts and stuff. Okay, I've got to get some exciting ones. Oh, I have this. Medicine. Like, please get some exciting. Let me see if these are on the glow in the dark list because I think I remember seeing them. They are on the glow in the dark list, so these might be glow in the dark. Down to the last one. I don't even know what this is, like sunscreen or something. Okay. So the mini brands were good, but I was hoping for some gooder ones. But they're cute anyway. And this is actually perfect. And now the last thing is Julie Albright. So I said in a few videos when I opened up like her holiday outfit, I'm getting Julie for Christmas. So this is Julie. But Santa stuffed a whole ton of goodies in it. Not all of it's Julie. Some of it's like Julie's rare stuff. Some of it's Grace, like Bon Bon. That's Grace's dog. Grace's PJs, blue slippers. just the most cutest shirt I've ever seen in the world. A hair tie and some PJ pants. That's it. So now it also comes with the book called The Big Break, which I'm totally gonna start reading soon. So let's get all the clothes out before we get Julie out. So I got to Grace's just an outfit. I don't remember what it's called. I got her baking outfit with the pink pants. Now, also something Mary Ellen. Mary Ellen's party dress. This is like really rare. And it's green. And it is just perfect for her. And I didn't get any of Mary Ellen stuff for Christmas so far. So Santa gave me 4 hangers. Okay, here's all the shoes and stuff. Now here's some Julie stuff. Julie's swimsuit that I just love because it's rare. And it comes with towel. These might be the sandals that go with it. Yeah, they probably are because they're red. Here's the headband that goes with Mary Ellen's outfit. These sandals, they probably go with Mary Ellen's outfit, unless they're Grace's. Grace's bacon shoes. In the rare version of her basketball outfit. Shorts, t-shirt, 2 pairs of socks, 2 sneakers, and a basketball. And the most exciting thing, Julie Albright. She is so pretty. She's so pretty. She has brown eyes and gorgeous brown long hair. She's so pretty. She's got to be my favorite doll yet. She's so cute. I just love her so bad. So that is it for today. I hope you liked it. Bye.